Hi everybody, it's Merav, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your iJoomla DigiStore. And we're going to start with a shippable product, something that you need to ship. Now, iJoomla DigiStore is very basic when it comes to shipping. We will be adding and enhancing this feature in the future, but right now it's pretty basic. So it also means that it's very, very easy. We're going to click on New. And we're going to choose which categories we want to assign this product to. Now you can assign a product to more than one category. You can assign it to as many as you want, really. You just have to click on the category you want and then click on the control key and then choose another category if you want. So I'm going to call the name of the product woman v-neck, and I'm going to choose on the product type shippable product. Here at the bottom you can enter a description of the product, and this is an interesting feature because you can choose to link this particular product to a certain article on your Joomla, and right now it's by default it says do not link, but you can enter any item ID here. Let's say that you have a page that describes this t-shirt. You can choose to link to that page, or you can choose to link it to an external URL. Let's say that you are a reseller. You can choose to point it to an external site that has all the descriptions, so you don't have to do it. And if it's externally, you can also determine what is the pop-up size of this product. And the meta tags, you're just going to enter meta tags. I'm going to enter something simple here. Sorry. Spend some time, entering the right keywords and descriptions. I'm not going to do it here on this tutorial to save time. The product image is important, so make sure that you have it in advance. And I'm just going to choose whatever I have here. Obviously, it's not the right image, but just for the purpose of teaching you. The pricing, enter any pricing here. And the discount is basically how much discount they will get if they purchase the same product again. And I don't have a discount for this right now, so I'm going to leave it empty. We're going to skip the product file because this is a shippable product. It's not a downloadable product. And in the shipping, I'm going to enter what is the shipping. Now you have two options here. You can enter a flat amount or a percentage of the amount. So flat amount would be like $5, and percentage would be like 5% of the price of the product, something like that. So you have very straightforward three options here. If you ship it everywhere in your state, then you can determine the price, let's say $5. If it's everywhere in the country, then you can make it a little more expensive, let's say $10. And if it's in a different country, you can charge a little more, $20. So that's what you enter here. And it's really depending on how much the product weighs and and stuff like that. So make sure that you know the price in advance. And an easy way to do that is to go and to do some calculations on USPS or USP or FedEx and see how much it would cost to ship your product. This way you can figure it out and then put the right price here. You don't just make it up like I did now. You actually have to go and figure it out so that you won't have to pay more than what it actually costs for the shipping, and you want to charge it in advance. Attributes, so we don't have any attributes set right now, but it would be something like color, size, stuff like that. We're not going to enter anything here. Now, email is what kind of email you want to have for this particular product, but that's for a different tutorial. We're going to leave it empty for now. Include is another thing we're going to leave empty for the shipping, because unless you want to give a free product, then you're going to have to choose here what kind of product you want to include with this particular product. And the stock is something important. that you might want to use and you might not want to use. Let's say that you only have 10 t-shirts like that to sell. So you click on add item, and now you can see that remaining stock is 10. It's because nobody bought it yet. Now what happens when you are sold out? What do you want to display? You can choose to display it as normal. You can choose to display it sold out. It's going to show the word sold out. Or you can choose to not display the product if the stock is, if you have no more in stock. And the important thing that if you're going to use this feature, make sure you choose yes here. Now, the last option is asking you, do you want to show how many remaining products you have on the front end? For example, if you have 5 products left, do you want to show how many are left, yes or no? So we're going to choose yes. And we're going to save it in a moment. But what I wanted to show you is that if tomorrow you get another shipping of this product and you have 20 more t-shirts, so what you need to do is enter 20 and click add item, and it changes here the amount. Okay, so let's save this product. And this is it. This is your first shippable product. And now you know how to add a shippable product. Like I said, we're going to enhance this feature in the future, but for now it works for many people as it is. So thanks for watching.